Hey guys, MTT here. Today I am back with some tech updates. So please subscribe this channel if you allowed the video. PUBG is coming back to India. Yes, PUBG Corporation is in talking terms with Jio regarding the partnership, and soon we hope that PUBG will be coming back to India, and Jio is discussing about how to set up the servers and where to implement it for the data storage. So let's hope that PUBG will come back to India very soon. And Jio Android phone is going to be launched in India sooner. So Jio had made deal with Google in order to use Android OS, and after the agreement, Jio are discussing with the assemblers of India regarding the phone manufacturing. So it will be going to cost around 4,000. This is cheapest. So then Jio targets to sell about 150 million to 200 million phones in the next 2 years. Also, we have read the news that Apple is also building its own device. They are also talking with the assemblers regarding building the new device. Poco X3 launched in India with a processor of Snapdragon 732G and 6000 mAh tremendous battery setup, and starting price is 16,999, and it has 3 RAM and storage variants. So the sale is going to get started on September 29th and in Flipkart. So go on, grab your phone, grab your Poco X3 on that day. So next update is HMD Global is conducting the live launch event today at 4 PM. So it's expected to launch its Nokia smartphone version 2.4 and 3.4 in the launch event. 3.4 is expected to have a selfie camera of about 8 MP, and 2.4 is rumored to have 2 storage configurations. So HMD Global is conducting its live launch event in its official YouTube channel, so go and watch it. Next is Apple iPhone 12 is expected to be costlier than iPhone 11. The rumors are saying that the cost will be around $749. Yeah, its Indian price will be around 55,000. So this price increase is due to the 5G support, and Apple is going to launch 4 models this year: iPhone 12, 12 Max, and iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max. So iPhone lovers are waiting for this launch. So it will be launched soon. OnePlus is going to launch its OnePlus 80 variant on October 14. It has previously announced it on Twitter page. So its cost is rumored to be around 899 euros. So OnePlus has said that it has upgraded its hardware components. So they have increased its price from 799 euros to 899 euros, and it's the top end variant price, and its Indian price will be around 69,000 rupees. So let's wait for the launch. And MI has launched its MI Smart Bulb B22, and it has a 9-watt rating and 950 lumens battery, and it can be controlled with the MI Home app, and it provides about 25,000 hours of usage, and it's a voice control, so it supports Alexa and Google Assistant. So it can be purchased with the MI online store. So let's go and order your MI Smart Bulb. So that's it with today's tech update, guys. Thanks for watching. MTT signing off. Take care.